Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Abdul Rafi and you're watching me on Math Solution. You've seen me a lot of videos making about different concept, but this time I'm talking about the rationalization, the complete rationalization process. Okay, so remember this, I'm going to let you know how to make things rationalized or conjugate. So I've got a question given here, 1 upon 2 plus root under root 3. Okay, I have to make a simplest form. This is on fraction form. I want this in a simple form. Okay, for this I'm going to use my rationalization process. Okay, so what we have to do, we just you multiply and divide with the denominator numbers. Okay, and just shift the positive sign into negative sign. Look at here, I've just shift these denominator values like multiplying and dividing with that, and I'm using minus sign for using this to shuffle that. Okay, use that rationalization process. We do this. What happened to that, we take out the value, some kind of this, like you can see on numerator, that will be multiplied by 1. Simply it will come like this, 2 minus root 3, and the denominator will go like 2 into 2, 2 square, and 3 will gonna be multiplied with the root 3. That's gonna be root 3 square, cancel with that, and you got 3, and 2 square will be 4. The answer will be like this, 1 and 2 minus root 3. So similarly we do this, like we just take out the fractions and we just simplify them, use the format for rationalization, and take out the simplification form of it. Okay, yes boss, this whole question I made it for you further to understand the more rationalization valuation when you go for. That was example question, and this question you can see that is also an example, but you can figure out more and more. Okay, so the question will come like this in a form of ABCD or XY, that I just put it x is equals to 4 plus root 3, and I have to find out the value of x plus 1 upon x or x square plus 1 upon x square. Maybe this lecture I will tell you x plus 1 upon x, then I'll go for further. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we need the value of 1 upon x. We know about the x value. What we're gonna do, we just reciprocate 1 upon x, and the value will go for the 1 upon. You do the same things with when you go for left hand side, as well as you will do the for the right hand side. But what you're gonna do, you will use the rationalization process. That is, the value of denominator will be same, but the plus sign, if you have got, you will put in the minus sign form. So whatever the multiplication form on the numerator side, that we multiply by the numerator. You can see there's one only here, so that's 4 minus root 3 will come exactly like this. And in denominator I just make it very clear, that is a plus b and a minus b. You know that what the formula of it, a square minus b square. That means that the number in the first side, you can see that make the square of it, in the second one make the square of it and make minus sign between of that. What you're gonna do, for the square is gonna be 16, and root 3 you cancel by the square, and 3 will come, 16 minus 3, that will come 13. 4 minus root 3 will be exactly the same, as you can see that. Okay, but what you have to take out, I have to take out the value of x plus 1 upon x. What is the value is coming? That is 1 upon x. Remember it. Okay, now x plus 1 upon x, I just wrote like this, and you can see that x value is 4 plus root 3. I just put it like this, and then use plus sign, and then whatever the value of 1 upon x, that will take, we have just taken out 4 minus root 3 upon 13 by the process of rationalization. I put it on here. I need to make a simplified form, so multiplying with 13 and divide by 13, 13 will multiply by 4 and then root 3. Answer will come 52, and 13 will multiply by root 3, exactly the same as. But the other values remain same, 4 minus root 3. The plus sign will not execute any other sign of it. Okay, and in denominator we will find 13 only, because we have to multiply that and make it the simplified form of it. So we can add or subtract the values of 52 will gonna be add with the 4, that will be 56, 13, root 3 and root 3. I have to tell you about that. If you have got the same value, so you pick up the common. Root 3 are gonna be take out the common, and 13 minus 1 will gonna be 12 root 3, and 56 with the answer divided by 13. That's the way you can find out x plus 1 upon x. Simple, it's very easy. Okay, so wait for me for next videos. I'm gonna take out much more videos, much more informative videos for you, different concepts, different techniques. Please subscribe me, like me, share me if you like that, and do keep watching my videos again and again, because it will give you a much more interesting concept regarding, so you can go for next question pretty much for this. So bye bye, take care. From Math Solution, Abdul Rafi signing off.